So 5 YouTube videos in might not seem like a lot, but when you're starting from zero, it feels like everything. And what's surprising is I've learned more from actually posting these videos than from years of watching YouTube and taking notes. So this video isn't a guide to growth because the reality is I have no idea what I'm doing. It's an honest reflection on what it feels like to start, what surprised me, what nearly stopped me, and what's keeping me going. So if you watch the full video, you're going to get the full scoop on everything I've learned from posting my first 5 videos to the reasons why I'm going to continue. Lesson 1. Creating is emotional. So if you've never uploaded a long form video before, here's how it feels. 1. Before you even hit publish, you're going through this cycle. What will people think? Did I just waste 30 minutes making a video no one's gonna care about? Is this video gonna cringe everyone out? Am I just talking to myself for really no reason? And no one prepares you for how personal this feels. I've heard Ali Abdaal talk about this, that even with 1 million views, there's always that voice saying, is this actually worth sharing? I thought I needed confidence. What I actually needed was the courage to just start. I had to lean into publishing videos even when I wasn't 100% sure. That act alone has changed how I see fear. It doesn't go away, but it stops deciding what I'm gonna do. And I make it a mission to push past this initial hesitancy and keep my goals in mind, to keep making content. Lesson number 2. Starting small is a superpower. So in the beginning, nobody's really gonna be watching, and that used to be really discouraging. But now I actually see this as big freedom. How many YouTubers, large companies, do we see time and time again, obviously trapped into making a certain type of content that they really don't care about making? They have bills, staff, and expenses, so they have to pay them, and they have to keep pushing content that is going to drive revenue. So I realized that I have none of these barriers. I get to test, experiment, find my own voice when no one's really paying attention. That's a gift. Even Ali Abdaal's first videos were really awkward. So were Nigga Higa's. So were everyone else's. And it's important that we remember that. The only way to get good is to start bad. Starting small isn't a weakness. It's a creative sandbox. This is where you get to mess up in peace and build something real from the inside out. Lesson 3. Consistency isn't about discipline. It's about systems. So I thought showing up would take motivation, that all these creators were just high-functioning machines. What I've learned in my short time making 5 videos is that the motivation's a myth and systems win every single time. And I've followed creators like Thomas Frank who talk a lot about process over passion. So I built a small workflow for myself. I write 1 script a day for long form content. Doesn't matter what it is, just anything that can work on the channel and that comes to mind. Then I make a short form video script based on this video. I record when I feel calm, not perfect, just a little bit every day. I aim to post, not impress, as the goal for me is just getting better every post. No over editing, no obsessing. It's a rhythm, a marathon, not a sprint. And that rhythm is what's keeping me from quitting. Lesson number 4. People feel energy and relatability, not just edits. So what do I mean by this? I've watched a lot of beautifully shot, perfectly edited videos that I've forgotten 10 minutes later. Then I come across a shaky handheld video that makes me stop and go, damn, that video felt really real and it was so relatable. And it taught me that people feel energy more than they see the amazing edits or transitions. What I've realized is that my job isn't to perform, it's to show up as myself. When I watch creators like Nathaniel Drew or Johnny Harry, what pulls me in isn't their setup, it's their self-awareness, their honesty, their intention, and their relatability. And that's what I want to build as well. And when I forget that, I go back to this saying, don't try to impress, try to connect. Try to be as relatable to your audience as a person, not trying to hack the algorithm. So yes, just 5 videos in, and I already feel changed by the process. I've battled fear, made peace with imperfection, and learned that consistency is about building the life you want, not just growing a channel. And I'm still figuring it out. I'll probably cringe at this video in a few months, but I'll also be proud that I kept going. And if you're starting to or thinking about it, subscribe. This channel is for the creators who want to build slowly, honestly, and intentionally. Drop a comment below what's been your biggest lesson from creating, or what's stopping you from starting. I'll reply to everyone.